Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to present about my idea after we finish making glass. Alright, in this video let me show you about another idea to make collision glass. Okay, let me show you for making collision glass in UPBGE version 0.36. You can make it easily. Alright, okay, let me show you. I'm gonna control this character, move around this field of glass. Okay, let me show you in another view. I think you cannot see clearly. Okay, let's see another file. Okay, here's another one. For example, collision glass. Okay, if you cannot see clearly, let me do this. You can see the movement of glass. Okay, let's get started. How to do that? Okay, so in this experiment, okay, now we have a characters box and moving glass. Alright, to make collision glass, the first one I want you to make a position cursor to selected. Okay, and then add another object by hold Shift A and select on force field. I didn't know we can make collision glass with this feature. I don't think it can use it. Alright, now we have a force field like, okay, let me see. Okay, now we need this type of force field, and then I want you to scroll down into this and then set the power is 10 and select checkbox like this and adjust this value around this. Okay, you can try to move around here like this. Okay, and then and the last step, you can just child this object to a characters box like this. Okay, let's try now. Alright, we finished making collision glass, and you can do it easily, and it works on UPBGE version 0.36. maybe you like it. Okay, let me adjust this value. Okay, just decrease this value. Okay, you can adjust this value to make it more realistic. Okay, let's see another view. Okay, okay, let me try. So if you think is not real enough, you can adjust around this value. I think you can make it better than me. You can try to set their value. Okay, I think you can do it. Okay, so this video, I hope you enjoy of this experiment. Thanks for watching. Bye.